Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do a requested video. We're gonna see how to remove or redo earphone braided DIYs. So this is pretty old. As you can see, the wire is turning into black, but it still works. It works like a charm. First things first, you need a blade. Yes, we're gonna cut it open. So let me give you an advice. This requires so much patience and you have to keep an eye because you have to work really slow and not to hurt yourself. Definitely not recommended for kids. So let's get into it. If you want to know how to make one of these braids, I'll leave the link in the description below so you can check that out. If you guys have a steady hand, patience, and a focused mind, you can go ahead and cut through the whole braid. But if you're scared about cutting the wire beneath, or if you're scared to hurt yourself, what you can do is just cut the starting point where you start the braid, where you have the knots, and you have to remove one by one with your hand, or you can use a pin to remove it one by one. Please be extra cautious not to hurt yourself as well. The braid I have here is a normal wrapping style, so it's easy to remove. I'm not gonna cut through, I'm just gonna use my hands to remove it. But if you're gonna do the double swap braided way, you may have to cut through. And we are done. You can see all the black marks in the wire, right? All the dirt has gone beneath the thread. So before starting the new braid, just take some mild cologne and you can clean it off. Again, the link is in the description below so you can check on how to do the DIY braid. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. Bye!